I'm Zach. I'm the Open Innovation Manager for Fujitsu Research America. Basically, my primary charge is to take the technologies within Fujitsu, AI, ML, and quantum, cybersecurity, things like that, and see where the rubber hits the road. Fujitsu's been a member of the plug-and-play ecosystem for like the last 4 years and some change, something like that. And a tremendous amount of value has come from the summits for us. The reason being is because there's so many high-profile stakeholders from so many different walks of life. Again, kind of that government layer, that university layer, the CVC and investment layer, as well as the corporate layer. Like, you're able to kind of interact with all these stakeholders in real time and really kind of be very candid and open about what you want to accomplish. I actually tell this story because of how kind of like 6 degrees of separation it is. We met a startup called DataSpan that presented at some summit many moons ago. Doing what I typically do, I introduced myself saying we're working on a lot of AI ML technologies. Through that introduction, he found that maybe he's not the best fit from a startup perspective, but he's working with this other organization called Acrodata that he think it would behoove me to kind of make an introduction. We did at the Plug and Play office just across the way here, not 200 feet from this room, and we introduced ourselves, and then we immediately saw an overlap with kind of our technologies. Ended up doing a pilot POC, signed a licensing agreement, now we have a reseller agreement. They were able to increase the throughput for any individual contributor for those offices anywhere from 6 to 15 times. So we're talking about ROIs of hundreds of percent with their particular interface. We've had like 6 to 8x improvements, so we've been able to cut down on like the amount of people that we need per line, per manufacturing plant to do this product default inspection stuff. So really kind of cool results from our collaborations together. Just the full facilitation and all coming full circle, coming back to plug and play is really something that speaks to the power of the ecosystem and the reason that we're here.